All right, guys. Woo! We just came from Atlanta, the Camp Creek area. We did the screen and recoat on those engineered floors. Now we are out here in Canton, Georgia. This is also a new client that found us online. So right now, what time is it? Hold on, guys. It is 6:39. So it was like an hour and a 40-minute drive. Because they're doing a lot of construction on 575. I had to pull over and get me an energy drink. I'm telling you, man, the traffic in Atlanta, Georgia, period, that's the real work. Once we get in the, in our clients' homes, that's easy peasy. So anyway, guys, this is a new client, found me online. She actually called and told me, she said, Courtney, I'm gonna be honest with you. I actually found other companies that were cheaper, but it was your online presence, your website, and your videos what sold me. And she was willing to pay more because of that. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, on this job is just a clean and buff. That's it. We're just gonna clean and buff the floors. And she said she's gonna have us come back in the future and do a screen and recoat. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing today. All right, guys, so we are out here in Canton, C-A-N-T-O-N, Canton, Georgia. A little bit past Kennesaw, Ackworth, kind of like Woodstock area. You really can't see. Beautiful neighborhood. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is a little bit close to 2,000 square feet, clean and buffing these floors. And I will say the floors are definitely lacking finish, but she said she'll have us come back after the holidays and screen and recoat the floors. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is just cleaning all these floors. Now with the clean and buffing, that is the only service. As you notice, you don't have to move the furniture. Now certain things like dining room chairs, things like that, chairs, we'll slide them back and forth for the client. So what me and Tavares is going to do, I want to start cleaning here, go ahead and get the kitchen out the way. And then we're going to come over here, do the living room, then come through here through the foyer, and then come over here, do the dining room area, and then work ourselves back out the door. So this job will probably take us an hour and a half, 2 hours. And yeah, get these floors nice and clean. All right, guys. All right, guys, let me tell you something, man. These floors are coming out immaculate, just cleaning them. I can't wait to show my client, but we're about to do our first dirty water dump. And let's go. Wow. First one, we have not seen it yet. Wow, look at that. Oh.
Chocolate milk.
Wow.
Wow. Good caffeine.
Wow. And the floors, I mean, man, huge difference. Wow. All right, guys. I mean, matter of fact, let me zoom in. Let me show you guys how clean this floor is coming. Look at that difference right there. And look at the part we have not cleaned yet. Look at that. Now you come on down.
Jump, I'll catch you.
When I tell you it's such a huge difference.
Like, I know.
Yes.
Like, trust me. I can hear y'all like, oh my God. Like, but I was already embarrassed.
No. It's nothing to be embarrassed about because, again, this is when you have to get a professional to do it.
Oh, I know.
Yep. Look at it. Look at it.
Like, I know when
Yeah.
I wipe it with paper
Yep.
towels and I clean it, it's
Yeah.
black.
That's your water.
Like,
Yeah.
I know it. I know.
Now
That's
look-
why I wear shoes every time I'm down here.
Look at the difference.
Oh my God.
And look where you're stepping. You see the difference?
Yes.
Yep.
No, I know it was filthy, y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
It was so... Oh my God. like, and I can't clean or do much.
Yeah.
Like,
Eventually,
know,
that's why I
like,
tell clients,
but it
eventually you
has
got to get a be a
done.
professional.
It
Yes.
has to.
You got to get a
So
professional.
it's kind of like, his lost my game.
Yep.
Especially, I know, like, this room, like,
Wow.
over there, like, where the dog's coming in and out right
Yep.
now. Oh my God.
Huge difference. And thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you doing your research, because I remember you said you had found a few other companies that were cheaper, but when you went to my when you went to my website, you called me right back. You said, you know what, Courtney, I'm just going to go with you. So I thank you for doing that.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, I knew it was good. I was embarrassed, like, to even have
Second dirty water dump, and we are done. When I tell you these floors came out amazing. Second dump, look at that. Like I told my client, guys, there's nothing to be embarrassed about. This is why you call a professional at some point. To do, because we have the knowledge, we have the equipment, we have the chemistry. So there's a lot of things just like me. I brush my teeth every day, but every 3 months I get my teeth professionally cleaned, because there's only so much I can do with a toothbrush and flossing. So I go to my dentist, who my dentist is, I actually met him. He was one of my clients. He actually did my veneers, Dr. Lydecker, in Johns Creek. And I get my teeth cleaned every 3 months, because he can do what I can't do at home. So there's nothing to be embarrassed about. So guys, oh man, I just want to say these floors came out unbelievable. I mean, man. And also too, I am loving this PEX 500 portable extractor. Thank you again, HydroMaster. Because of my reputation in the industry, they sent me this machine to go hand in hand with the Green Glide towel hard surface tool by Mike Payate, who also sent me this. And yeah, got this machine just makes the job easier and more efficient, and I'm loving it. So thank you again, HydroMaster. Make sure I give you guys a shout out. And yeah, guys, so what we're going to do is go ahead and do a last post mop. And my client, she is happy. Okay. All right, guys. So that's going to do it. And we're going to go ahead and head back to Gwinnett County and get ready for the rest of this week. And yeah. All right, guys. Thanks again. See you in the next one.